Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading Multipressor on the track you want to control. Set your input gain so peaks sit near -6 dB to keep headroom. Once done, decide whether you'll use internal detection or a sidechain key input. Enable key if you need external triggering. Make sure the channel solo and monitoring are correct, then clear any existing presets so you start from a neutral point. This gives you a predictable baseline before you split bands and begin dynamic sculpting. Now you split the spectrum into 3 or 4 bands and place crossovers where the instrument's character changes. Once the bands are active, lower thresholds on each band until you see 2 to 6 dB of gain reduction where control is needed. Make sure to set attack and release differently per band. Slower attack/release for low energy, quicker for upper transients. This preserves punch while taming harshness. Also engage solo per band to confirm what each band hears before blending them back together. Finish by balancing makeup gain and output trim so the process signal matches the bypass level. You should /B frequently to ensure transparency. Once satisfied, consider linking bands or automating threshold and crossover moves for arrangement changes. If you hear unwanted pumping or facey artifacts, lengthen the release, shift crossover points slightly, or lower the threshold on the problem band. Make sure linear phase mode is off unless you need it, because phase choices affect clarity and transient response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.